Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel Jules Craft Room, and it's another Crochet Society unboxing. Look at that beautiful box, absolutely gorgeous, and look at all the, it's like a merry-go-round all the way round. Beautiful, lovely colours. Really excited to see what's in here, so let's turn you round and show you what's in the box. So what's in this beautiful box? Look at all those colours. Wow, now that is a lot of yarn. We've got 6 balls and they are DK, 100% acrylic, and they're 50-gram balls, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Very similar actually. I think this was the same way as what we were given in the advent calendar, which we made the blanket from, which I'll put a picture up of the blanket I made. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of colours because we had a different ball of wool for every day of December, so that was really good fun. Yes, so let's put these over here. Beautiful colours. You've got 2 sorts of green, a lovely yellow, and sort of 2 sort of peachy pink colours, and a cream. There's a lot of stuffing in here, so we must be making something that needs this stuffing. Ah, you can never have too many of these. Oh, isn't that lovely? And a great way of keeping them. I've got loads of these, but never enough. So, yeah, what a lovely way of keeping them. They're always great. What's in here? This is a lovely bumper pack. Let's see if I can get this open. It's really fiddly. Oh, it's a little scissors. This is great for when you're got a project going. Lovely travel scissors. So they're nice and safe in there. That's nice. I love the colour as well. Oh, that side needs filling here. Nice little box. We've also got so I presume this is to gauge the size of your crochet hook. I don't know. We'll have to find out when we look in the book. This must be some eyes or something for the project. Yes, there's some little black eyes. And then there's the stitch marker, which says admit 1. And then there's the book. Oh, and the crochet hook. What a beautiful crochet hook. Sort of candy stick. Or rock it reminds me of. And that's a 3.25 crochet hook. And here's the book. So I take it we can make this little fella here. Sort of like a bit of a cute little fella he is. And we've got a welcome from Sarah Jane. We've got what's in the book. Chatting to one of the designers. Then you've got the pattern, which is Lex the Lion. Then you've got what's in the box. So this is it's a handy tool for your different shades if you are making something and you need to keep a strand. That's what it says. You will always have the right shade to hand with this handy mini tool. So, and the stitch marker, and of course the binding clips and the scissors. There's a lot in here this time. Lovely, loving the free gifts. A Ferris wheel, You can crochet a little Ferris wheel. And there's some more about tips on making some of these characters. And then there's a fun bag, which is quite cute. More, I think it's more for a child. I don't think I'd use the bag. But yeah, and then some other bits and pieces, previous makes, what people have made and sent in. And then there's the box for next time. That's a lovely mosaic box. So, what shall I make? I don't know. I don't know. Out of the 3 items, I'm not sure. I'll have to think about that. I'm not sure if there's if I've a use for any of those patterns actually. But I'm loving the free gifts. Let me know what you plan to make if you've got this box. Yes, so I'm loving the crochet hook and the scissors and the binding clips, and I love all the 6 balls of yarn. I mean, that's fab, but I'm not sure what I'll make. So do let me know in the comments below if you get this box, what you're planning on making. I might have to look back at a previous pattern and see if I can use the wool for that. But yeah, well, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.